Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I make chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are really yummy and quite easy to make. If you've been on this channel before, thank you for sticking around. And if this is your first time on this channel, thank you for visiting. And please consider hitting the subscribe button if you've not done so. Also, do not forget to like this video to help more people see this wonderful recipe. To make these cookies, I used 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, chocolate chips, half cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 250 grams margarine, 2.5 cups of flour, and vanilla extract. First thing I did was to melt the butter in a microwave and add it into a bowl. Then I added some sugar, and then I used the whisk to mix everything together. Then I added the eggs and some vanilla, and then I whisked everything together to mix the ingredients properly. Next, I added the flour to the wet ingredients and the baking soda and the salt. And I used the wooden ladle to combine everything to form a dough. Now your dough has to be soft if you want those 3 cookies. Then I used my hands to add the chocolate chips to the dough. I use my hands because I want the chips to be incorporated into the dough properly. Then I used the tablespoon to scoop some dough into my hands and roll it into a ball. And then I place them on the baking tray. Then I used the back of a measuring cup to flatten the cookies so that they would be of the same size and shape. Then I put some flour at the back of the cup to ensure the dough does not stick to the cup. Then when you're done, you could decide to add more chocolate chips to get that really chocolatey flavor when you're done baking. Then I baked it in the oven for up 15 minutes, and then I left it to cool on the baking tray for 3 to 4 minutes, after which I transferred it to a cooling rack to cool down and harden up. Then once you're done with that, your chocolate chip cookies is ready to be enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and then I'll be happy to read from you. And until I see you in the next video, bye bye.